So I'm out here in our front yard and I think we're going to be picking our first watermelon from our Kratky Hydroponic water garden. Passive water hydroponic. So this watermelon, it's not as big as I thought it was going to be based on my researching this type, but it's pretty heavy, and I read that they're done when this little sprig turns brown and the color's pretty white and green contrast. So also the trick apparently is to knock on it, and I can't ever tell if it's hollow or solid, but I think it's kind of hollow. So it hasn't been growing much in the last week, so I think we're good. So I'm gonna cut it and then we'll go inside. Oh, and we'll see how it looks inside. Okay, so watermelon in the house. I actually brought it to my ear and knocked on it, and I think that actually sounds pretty hollow. And it feels like it's about 8 pounds. So I'm gonna cut it. Cross your fingers. I'm really nervous. And we have the cutest little watermelon. So we'll see how it tastes. It's not as red as I would have thought, but I was not sure what to expect with the hydroponic. It smells really good.
Yeah, it smells
Holy
good.
cow. Yeah, let's, it's got seeds, so that's, oh my God, it's really sweet. We grew a real watermelon in our little passive water bucket. Thumbs up to Dr. Steph.